Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you how I make my favorite alfalfa breakfast sandwich. I definitely like the taste of it, but what I like most is when I have it for breakfast, I know I ate good amount of nutrition. You'll need a slice of bread. I'm using homemade sourdough. I'll leave a link below how I make my own, but you can use any bread here. Half of a ripe avocado. Kind of smash it and blend it with a fork. Spread it on the bread and be generous here. I usually use half of an avocado for one piece of the bread. Salt and pepper your avocado. Add some alfalfa greens. Add some feta cheese. I'm slicing some radish very thin. I like that radish adds color to the sandwich, and taste combination is perfect with radish too. So simple, and we have our perfect breakfast sandwich that is full with nutrients. I really hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do that for more recipes coming soon.